Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic that is about we need to prove about these equations in here. So now I want to show you how to answer. About inductor, we have L equal to L1 plus L2. That is for the series in here. So we have 1 over L equal to 1 over L1 plus 1 over L number 2. This is for parallel. Now about this one, they are a little bit different. In the series of capacitor, we will have this one in here. In parallel, we have this one in here. So now I will show you how to prove about this one. The first thing we still remember that about resistor, we know that in the series that should be about R equals to R number 1 plus R number 2. So in this situation, we know that ZL, that is about resistor of inductor, and ZC, this is about resistor of capacitor. So in this situation, we know that the formula of this one that should be about omega multiplied by L. About this one that should be about 1 over omega multiplied by C. Now we can use the formula in here. Now if we change R into this one, that should be like this. Similar for capacitor. We know that we transform this one into this one. So because we know that omega that is about 2BF, the frequency they are same for the whole series in here. So that means omega they will be the same when we change ZL into omega L equals to omega L number 1 plus omega L number 2, because ZL1 is similar for this one. So if we change L number 1, this one we have L number 1, similar for the second one. About capacitor, we change by 1 over omega C equals to 1 over omega C number 1 and 1 over omega C number 2. So we simply simplify omega for the both sides, and we have like this. So this is the reason why we have this one in here. Now we go to parallel. So for this one, we have 1 over R equals to 1 over R number 1 plus 1 over R number 2. Now we apply the formula in here, so that should be about 1 over ZL equals to 1 over ZL number 1 plus 1 over ZL number 2, and capacitor we do the same. So we know that ZL we can transform into 1 over omega L equals to 1 over omega L number 2 plus 1 over omega L number 2. Now we need to simplify omega for the both sides, and we have like this. Now we can do similar for this one. So because this one, they will go to numerator, so that should be about like this. Now we need to simplify omega for the both sides, and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.